Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with another birthday challenge to my giveaway and birthday. And if you're interested in joining, this is how you do it. You can make one birthday themed ATC card or as many as you want. I got asked a couple times now. So if you want to make more, you'll get one per entry. And if you choose to send goodies, you get 2 per item. It started already. It continues till the 7th after my mailman. If you don't have a new address, here it is. So this one is from Lori. Cute birthday girl wish. So cute. It says, happy birthday, Tina. Hope you have a great day. Love, Lori Neltler. 12324. So let's see what she sent. She's got some washi tape. She got this little sticker of this dude. He's cute. Little lipstick. Oh, look at his little filing thing. That's so cute. Oh, there's a note. Tina, a little something for your birthday, girl, to collage. Hope you enjoy. Love, Lori. Aw, thank you. Okay. So we got some circles. Ooh. Look at all these goodies. I will do a collage. Definitely. Happy birthday cupcakes. Oh, cute. Look at all that cuteness. Alright, that's from Lori. Get my paper here. And if you're all wondering, ta-da! The birthday bear. Or not birthday bear, giveaway bear. So, get my scissors. Look at her cute envelope, guys. Definitely gonna collage that. Make sure I spell Lori's last name right, just in case. Neltner. So we got 2. We're gonna count that as 1. We'll count this. Okay. So. Get 2 here. Look at that all like that. Cut that as 2. Not sure if Lori has a channel. I'll have to check. And this is 2 cute washi. Look at that little bears. I think they're bears. Llamas and rainbows. I appreciate everybody that takes the time entering my birthday giveaway. It's always so fun. Boom. Can't write today, I tell you. Da-doom. Da-doom. And one more. piece of paper. There we go. There we go. Boom. And there we go, Lori. You're all in. Shake, shake, shake it up. I don't know if I'll have a grandkid here to pick a winner tonight, but I'll go live and do it, so it's all fair. So thank you, Lori. I'm actually going to put this in this little bag of goodies I got going on from Miss Cat and Helen. And I'll collage later with all this goodness as well. We're going to get a small book and do a birthday collage. And this in my binder. Right there. I'm actually going to take this out. I want, where'd it go? Come on, I want this. Because it's like a birthday card. There. So I put Sabrina's little birthday card on this side. So we're going to put this in here because that's like Lori's little birthday card right there. There we go. Cool. Awesome. Alrighty, guys. So once again, here you go. So if you can, please join. And I will talk to you later. As always, thank you again, Lori. I don't want to lose your envelope. You put your envelope in there, too. I don't want to collage with that baby, too. Alright. I love collaging, actually, lately. Very relaxing. So, I want to thank you, Lori. If you guys want to enter, here you go. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. And have a good day.